हाय चिल्ड्रेन, वेलकम टू VIN सुष्मिता ईयर। आज हम हिंदी पाठ 7 पलों की पहचान। हम तो इधर इस चित्र को देखकर हमें इस फलों को हिंदी में पढ़ लेंगे। मीन्स वी शल स्टडी द नेम्स ऑफ द फ्रूट्स इन हिंदी टुडे। ओके, देखो इधर क्या दिखा है। सी हियर व्हाट दे हैव गिवन। फलों को पहचानो और नाम को सूची से ढूंढ कर लिखो। सी व्हाट दे हैव गिवन। दे हैव गिवन अ पीसेस ऑफ फ्रूट्स। वी शुड फाइंड व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द fruit. Okay, in Hindi first we'll see the options. Papita, kela, angur, ananas, संतरा, खरबूजा, अनार, आम, तरबूज, मौसमी, सेब, शरीफा. These are the names of the fruits they have given. Here we'll see what the pictures they have given. Okay. Yes, children. Now we will see the options what they have given. Papita, kela, angur, ananas, santara, खरबूजा, अनार, आम, तरबूज, मौसमी, सेब, शरीफा. These are the names of the fruit they have given. Now we'll see what are the names we'll call for this in Hindi. See first what they have given. In English we'll call it as grapes, right? In English we'll call it as grape, but Hindi we'll call it as angur. What we'll call? We'll call angur. Angur, grapes. What? Angur, grapes. Next, what is this? This is muskmelon. What is this fruit, children? This is muskmelon in Hindi. In English, in Hindi, we'll call it as खरबूज. What we will call? We'll call खरबूज. खरबूजा. Okay. Next, in English, this fruit we'll call it as banana. In Hindi, we'll call it as केला. What we will call? केला. Next, this fruit we'll call it in English mango. In Hindi we'll call it as आम. आ से आम. Next, this fruit in English we'll call it as watermelon. In Hindi we'll call it as तरबूज. What we will call? We will call तरबूज. Next, this fruit it is orange in English. In Hindi we'll call it as what we will call? Santara. What we will call? We'll call Santara. Next, this is in English we'll call it this as a sweet lime or sweet lemon. In Hindi we'll call it as a mausmi. What we will call? Mausmi. Next, this fruit in English we'll call it as papaya. In Hindi we'll call it as papita. What we will call? Papita. This fruit we'll call it as custard fruit in or custard apple in English. In Hindi we'll call it as sharifa. What we will call? Sharifa. Next, is this fruit we'll call it as apple in English, and in Hindi we'll call it as seb. What we will call? Seb. Next, this fruit we'll call it as anar, pomegranate in English, and anar in Hindi. What we will call? Anar. Anar means pomegranate, right? Next, in English, this fruit we will call it as pineapple. In Hindi, we'll call it as what we call it? Ananas. What we will call? Ananas. Okay. Now once again we'll see. Read. See. Angur, grapes. Angur, grapes. तरबूज मस्कमेलन. खरबूजा मस्कमेलन. केला बनाना. आम मैंगो. तरबूज watermelon, तरबूज watermelon. संतरा ऑरेंज, संतरा ऑरेंज. मौसमी स्वीट लेमन, मौसमी स्वीट लेमन. पपीता पपाया, पपीता पपाया. शरीफा कस्टर्ड एप्पल, शरीफा कस्टर्ड एप्पल. सेब एप्पल, सेब एप्पल. अनार पोमोग्रेनेट, अनार पोमोग्रेनेट. अनानस पाइनएप्पल, अनानस पाइनएप्पल. ओके.